We missed you.
Hey.
Nice to see you. You're
Welcome
back.
back. Oh, welcome back. Tom, kailan ka na dumating? Mga March ba to?
Around parang late January ata.
Late January.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Gaano katagal kang nawala?
Almost 2 years I think, or a little over probably. Medyo mahina math ko.
Okay, so finally you're back. Nakagawa ka na agad ng movie.
Yeah.
Natapos ka.
Direct Joel, kaya parang workshop na din siya, nag-enjoy ako. So at least kung baga yung mga past na ginawa ko ng mga project nung kakarating ko lang for TV, ito totally na nawala na yung apprehension at takot ko ulit sa industriya. I went through the gauntlet, I enjoyed my experience.
Na-restart ka na.
Yeah, parang feeling ko parang na-warm up na yung diesel.
mahal ba?
Di naman, di masyado, kaya...
Title eh, wag mo.
Yeah, pero it's beautiful story.
Ano title?
Very refreshing. Lubak Iwan.
Oh, what's it about?
It's about, kung ikwento ko baka ma-spoil ko siya eh. Pero it's about these three characters. It's a story of Lara and Joseph. Parang sila, high school sweethearts sa probinsya.
Rian and ikaw.
Rian and si JC. Na his passion naman is music. Tas so kakabalik lang niya and they're rekindling their relationship, and things happen that takes her to Manila.
Enter frame ka.
Enter frame na si Edwin na isang attorney. Yeah.
Magpo-fall sa'yo si Rian.
Lawyer niya. We'll see.
Magbubulo ka na.
We'll see din. Pero like I said, it's very refreshing. Hindi siya yung, nung binabasa ko yung script, ito na lang, maybe you'll get a bit of what I felt nung binabasa ko yung script. Nung una binabasa ko siya, parang nagawa ko na nung film na to, tapos boom, may mangyayari na, saan to pupunta? Parang iba.
Predict.
Every time na feeling ko, alam ko na yung mangyayari, it will take you in another route, and yet hindi siya yung route na you feel cheated na parang, grabe naman. Each time you're like, okay, wow. And I read it in one sitting. Isang upo ko na sa binasa, sobrang
Wrote the script ba?
nag-enjoy ako.
Wrote the script.
Eric Ramos. Yeah, Eric Ramos, pero it's Direct Joel's concept daw, sabi ni Sir Eric.
Okay, so nakatapos ka na agad ng isang pelikula.
Yeah.
Tapos,
God.
yung palang showing kasi ba?
Hindi ko pa alam, pero sabi nila parang they're gonna edit it right away daw ata.
So, after yung movie, ano ngayon ang pagkakabala?
Ngayon we're doing, may mga shows kami na naka-set up. There's a GMA din na teleserye in the works, saka yung Ibarra, the musical.
Doon po sa Ibarra. Kwento ka about it. Yan yung kay Piolo before.
Yeah. Pero this time around, they're gonna be touring, so they wanted someone na could do both, na can allow for the schedule para maka-travel din, I think, out
Touring
of town.
where?
Sa vegan, they wanna go to mga colleges kasi yung mga target nila are students din too. Para mas maano sa kultura tsaka sa history din.
So, more on mga school.
Yeah, dito, they're gonna do it half year, tapos may touring siya na stage.
Dito
Dito, saan yung GSIS?
So magtutour ka because of Ibarra.
Yeah, so it'll be fun. Sa vegan, I wanna go back.
Aware ka na si Piolo yung unang.
Of course, yeah, when they told me.
Pino-offer sa'yo to, hindi ka ba nagtanong, what about what happened to Piolo?
No, naman kasi we all, hindi naman iba sa industry na we do a project and then we move on to something else. Hindi naman nalalo yun. It's happened to me. It happens to everyone. Na you do a project, you love it, and you may stay or you may seek other opportunities. Kaya hindi ko na kailangan siguritan. No, I can guess that we all have our reasons.
So, you've been away for what, 2 years?
Kanta yun ah.
Kanta yung order. You've been away for more than 2 years? Tama ba?
Yeah.
More than 2 years, no? Kumusta ka nung mga panahon na yan?
Siyempre, it was a journey. It was an adventure in itself. There were turbulent moments. There were moments na I had to find myself. Pero ngayon, I think I'm in a very peaceful, very content phase of my life. I'm happy. There's nothing I could want for.
Siyempre, open naman naging open naman yung nangyari, di ba? So, yung more than 2 years na yun, okay ka na?
Yeah.
I mean, bago ka bumalik dito, feeling mo, okay na?
Yeah, kasi yung pinapabalik ako dito nila Ma'am Lilibet ng GMA, last last year. Before I wasn't, pinapauwi ako, nag-request ako if I can extend my leave kasi I felt like I wasn't ready at that time. Pero ito, nung last January, I felt
So, na-make mo.
yeah, parang yeah, I'm okay. Nung when they asked, I was like, yeah. Nung nagtanong ulit sa Papoy, I was ready.
Alam mo talaga po, paano magsadya ni moving on process, healing process.
Hindi siya linear eh. Mahaba din, kaya ang hirap isa-isahin. Pero hindi kaya ng isang oras daw. Pero it was, it took a lot of help from loved ones, family. Of course, prayers. There's a lot of prayers of people that are really dependent on. One of them, Tita Con introduced me to him, si Pastor Paulo Punsalan. Really helped out. He would reach out to me sa States lagi, and I really valued until now, like, his guidance. His been really, yeah, kahit sa US, nandito siya, he's based here. Pero he would call there. Pero friends, family, their support.
Kung nasa US yan, doon mo siya nakaka-communicate.
Nag-start dito pa lang. Pero kahit nung pumunta ako doon, continuous din siya. Until sa, nag-ano talaga ako, nag-isolate ako. I also wanted to have that isolation moment na I detached from everyone, na family lang talaga yung nakakausap ko. Kahit sila po at for a little bit, nahirapan sila kontakin ako. They had to, sila they had to contact me through my mom. Kasi as in phone, lahat, I really stripped everything away. Kasi nag-impake ako for 2 weeks lang, hindi ko akalain na magiging 2 years. So it really like made me recontextualize everything. Marirealize mo na a lot of the things na you took for granted na akala mo kailangan mo sa buhay, hindi mo pala kailangan. And kind of rebuild from the ground up. Parang inaano mo, hinihimay mo ulit, like what parts of you are you, what parts of you aren't you, what parts of you want to improve on, what parts of you want to keep or get rid of. Ano siya talaga, it's a refining process.
Parang alam ko ba, nung tayo na nasa US, may mga times na you're not with your family. Parang choice mo talaga yun.
No, sa Vegas.
Akala nila parang dead na sa yung family mo. Ikaw, so hindi pala, choice mo talaga.
No, it had to be for legality purposes for my divorce. Kasi sa Vegas, kailangan i-process. So I had to live there for a while and be away from my family. Pero if it was my choice, I would have loved to stay with my family sa mga pamangkin ko. I was really, kaya after nung okay na, I went back to that life.
Ano pa na status mo? Okay na ba?
As far as I'm concerned, yeah, I did everything on my end.
So hindi pa kayo?
No, on my end, everything's done.
Pero dineclare na ba ng korte?
Yeah, so there's everything. Yeah. Oh, even processing it here, I've already done all the.
Hindi Carla sa US.
Yeah, but I'm an American citizen, so dual citizen ako, so I can.
So, divorce kayo. Tama ba? Divorce sa US.
No, it's recognized na rin dito. No, I processed it.
So, hindi niyo na kailangan mag-anal.
No. Na-process na rin.
So, ngayon, pwede mo officially, legally,
Yeah.
separated na talaga.
Yeah.
Single na siya.
Wow! It saved you from
Ready to
annulment,
mingle.
ha?
Yeah.
Ready to mingle.
So, kung sakaling lang,
No, not ready to mingle. I'm okay now.
kung sakaling lang magkakasal sa Tom, at or si Carla, okay na pala.
Should be, yeah.
Free to marry again. Pero gusto mo ba magpakasal ko?
Yeah.
Someday?
Someday.
Talaga. With the
Yeah.
right person comes
With the right person.
Wala pa naman.
Meron na.
Meron siya dinidate eh.
Are you dating?
Non-showbiz.
Not sure.
Ano
Hindi
yan?
ko ba non-showbiz ka na ngayon? Talaga?
To be honest, I enjoyed non-showbiz even more. Na-miss ko yung collaboration, the art of the industry. Yung parang passion ko dito, nandito pa rin yung puso ko. Pero yung tahimik lang na simpleng buhay, hanggang ngayon, binabalik-balikan ko pa rin siya. So yun yung natutunan ko sa ganong klaseng buhay, tinatry kong dalhin dito. Which I think naman, so far, I've been finding the right balance. So parang the best of both worlds. Na what I learned from a simple life and the life that I left behind. Parang finding it.
Pakikipagrelasyon, tingin mo non-showbiz na.
Yeah, I like it.
Wala ka namang gano'n.
I like it better kasi sinabi ko, hindi ko alam kung sa interview ko with Sir Nelson or kay Tito Boy, what I realized then, sometimes relationships that are born out of this industry, may nagkakaroon ng pitfall minsan, not naman for all, but for me, I noticed na it becomes too public in a way that it blurs the lines between your personal life and your professional life. Parang minsan hindi mo na alam kung saan. At least this time around, parang you definitely alam ko nasan yung boundaries, and you're able to set healthy boundaries for yourself, for your relationships, and you're able to care for it more. Parang mas naalaga mo siya. For me lang, speaking for myself.
Ano yung top US-based? Girlfriend mo o nandito?
I don't want to say.
Kasi January ka naman bumalik eh. January ka naman bumalik.
Yeah, pero I don't want to say. Like, basta makikita na lang ng mga tao.
Nakikita natin.
Siguro, yeah. Kasi my policy has always been, I don't want to hide. You know, like, what you see is what you get. Pero yung sa akin lang, from now on, I just want to keep it respectfully. Keep it.
Ito, pwede ba nito pa ano? Confirm na ba? I mean, kayo na talaga or ano pa lang, dating mo? Ha? Kayo na.
Feeling ko sa States pa lang.
Huh?
Feeling ko sa States pa lang.
Oo, kasi kararating mo lang dito. Tapos ito, when you were in the States, never mo naisip na parang iiwan ko na yung buhay ko sa Pilipinas, dito na talaga ako.
It crossed my mind. Yeah, it crossed my mind several times. Kaya ngayon, even that, kasama yun sa parang hinihimay-himay ko. Kasi yun nga, na-spoil ako doon. Parang I really like the simplicity, yung normal na routine. Gigising ka, you have coffee, you walk the dog in the park, I do my couponing, yung grocery. Pag uwi mo, I do my laundry on certain days, I cook, I clean, magda-drawing pa rin ako.
Nagtrabaho ka ba ng non-showbiz
Yeah.
job doon?
Yeah.
Ano?
So, coding and with my graphic design.
Talaga.
So, sa lahat try mo.
Pero nagsushow pa
Yeah,
rin eh.
kaya at least I was really blessed. At saka it warmed my heart what they would do. For example, sa GRE Productions sa Sacramento, it's a small community and they will band together to bring me there. Mag-ambag-ambag sila din yung front act. So it becomes like a small like family type of affair. That's sarap, it warms my heart na nag-aambag-ambag sila to bring me there, and I cherish the moments I spend with them. Tapos I get to go back to where I live and I get to live
Malaki bayad sa
Normal life mo.
graphic designer.
sa States. Sa coding din, it's they need a lot of tapos at least you could do it remotely. So okay din,
Offer sa'yo ng Jim. Ano yung tinatag sa'yo na project na Jim?
sa Batang Riles. I enjoy yung title. Yeah, it was a really nice project. Pero right now I'm not sure. Like I believe they're working something out.
Pwede ka na mag-start anytime or...
I'm waiting on Popoy's word from Popoy lang. Sa
Gusto mo ba yung Ibarra?
kay si Popoy na bahala. He knows how to work his magic with
Pero kami ko
Popoy. Yeah. So, I'm excited for that.
Last na.
May libreng voice lesson para hindi si Mickey Mouse yung
Okay, pero
Order pa siya, no?
para hindi lang Mickey Mouse yung boses.
Sa commitment mo sa GMA, ano yung nagpabalik sa'yo? Ano yung... Paano ka nagtatakunan?
It was the work. I missed it. Truly. Yun nga, kung let's just say there are parts of it that I did miss about the industry. Pero there are parts of it that drew me in and made me fall in love with show business in the first place, which is the craft in itself. Sa PBB pa lang nung aalis ako sana for the first time, after nun, pinagstay nila ako and they asked me to take a workshop with Tita Maludi Guzman. And that's when I realized, oh, this is an art form. Akala ko it was just something that was cheesy. And what made me stay and even enter the industry to begin with was the craft. Thinking about that then and how much I missed it, it made me come back then. Sabi ko, there's part of there that I fell in love with and I'm eager to fall in love with it again. And I believe after having several projects rin na, lalo na yung Wag Mo Akong Iwan kay Direk Joel, I believe I found that.
Hindi ba pwedeng mag-reunion o yung sequel ng Tonga?
Pwede. Pero sa mga kinaukulan yun, that's like something that's above my head. But for me personally, I'm game.
Nakakamiss yun eh.
Madalaga pa po.
Thank you.
Yun na.
Teka, may last question ako.
Oh.
Kaya nga.
Natatense?
Well, may sinabi ba akong...
Wala.
Very ano naman.
For sure, malalaman ko lang kay Popoy kung meron ba sakali.
Wala naman. Okay, mas yan nagyayari.
Okay, sandali na may
Ang
last
bait-bait ka na, hindi ka kuya tinatanong.
Ito na yung last question.
Oo, Joey, kasi kung ako, I'll just, candid.
Wala mo naman yung
Saka
sino.
alam mo, Donggas lang. Kung may issue, sagutin mo na agad, tapos.
Diba?
And like I said, I don't really like want to hide. I don't like living a life where you hide. What people see is what they get. Yung sa akin lang ngayon, like I just want to keep what matters to me most precious. I want to treasure it even more.
Okay, last question na ako.
Game na.
So, ayan na yung food mo. Bago ka sumubo, if ever, since nagbalik ka naman sa GMA, chances are magkita kayo dyan ng ex mo. Anong, what will you do? Hanggang nagkasalubong kayo, nagkita kayo sila.
I'm okay with my path. I wish them well. I'll have to, I'm okay na. It's not a daily thing. I don't have to think about that part of my life. So I'm okay. Whatever I have to do to maintain that peace that I have.
Thank you, though. You can eat now.